chole, the first thing we will be doing, we will make a paste. I have taken here some fried onions and a bit malai which I took from the daily milk. I'll add 2 chilies, some ginger, some garlic. Here I have taken coriander powder. This is half a teaspoon of cumin powder and a bit garam masala. Now let's make a paste out of it. Our fine paste is ready. Now we'll start the cooking process. I've poured almost 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, then adding some jeera into it. Time to add some onion, and we'll fry this onion nicely. When the onion becomes translucent, we'll add some red chili powder, some turmeric, and then fry and fry. Actually, I don't know, maybe some people like, but I don't like the solid pieces of chicken. So this is another way of utilizing the solid pieces of chicken by making this chicken chole. It's really awesome. At this stage, we'll add the paste that we made. And some tomatoes. Mix it nicely. To prevent the masala from burning, what you can do, just pour some water in the mixer jar and add this. At this stage, we'll add some salt. As you can see, the masala is almost cooked. At this point, it's time to add the chicken. And now we have to cook it nicely. After cooking the chicken for 5 minutes, we'll add chole also at this stage. And we'll cook this two together. After 10 minutes, you can see the oil got separated. So, it's time to transfer this into the cooker. Let's do it. Meanwhile, in the same karai, I'm boiling some water, which I'll be pouring into the pressure cooker. Now these requires at least 3 CTs. By the time the chole gets cooked, we'll make the kulcha dough. So here I have taken the all-purpose flour. I'll add some salt, a pinch of sugar, very important, a tablespoon of baking powder. And first I'll mix all this together. And now I'll add some oil. This is refined oil. Make a nice dough and add the water gradually, not all together. See? When our dough is ready, you can see that if I press, it's bounced back. Right? So a soft dough is ready, and what we will be doing, just put some oil over it. And I think our chole is ready. You just check if it is cooked properly or not. It's hot. Just see, it's breaking. So I can say our chole is cooked. And at this stage, though it's optional but it enhances the taste, I'm adding some kasuri methi, and I will be boiling it for some time. By the time it gets boiled, you can always check the salt, and I'm adding 2 whole grey chili just to enhance the taste. Boil it for 5 minutes and that's it. Your chicken chole is ready to be served. For the kulcha topping, I have taken kalonji, some chopped garlic, butter and little oil. You can take toppings of your choice. If you have dhania patta, you can add that, or whatever it is. I mean, up to you. And also in the kulcha, I have used baking powder, but it's very well you can use yeast or ENO if you have. So let's start the making of kulcha. Should roll the kulcha in oval shape. You make it little thick and just this. Make sure. And I simply cover it. You can see how nicely these bubbles are coming. Start to flip it. It's really soft.